What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Supreme Week 18 live cop. I'm super hyped about this one. We changed locations because I'm on a huge time crunch right now. I'm trying to do this as fast as I possibly can, and then I have like a 2.5 hour car ride that I'm gonna have to edit this video in and hopefully get some Wi-Fi from somewhere. And my mom's dog is actually drinking some water right now, so that's very loud in the background. But yeah, like I said, hopefully I can find somewhere to upload this today because I need to upload this because this is like the best week of the season. Not the best, but one of the best weeks. I see a lot of hate on the t-shirts, but I think the t-shirts slap. I think a lot of them are going to do well down the road. I'm personally only going for the motion for myself. I don't really think I'm going to try to get any other ones for myself because I just have so many tees right now. I might though, I might change my mind. I do want to try to get the blanket as well, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that because that's kind of lower down on my list, and I think I'm going to try to single cart most of the things, but who knows. Maybe try to double cart something because that $10 shipping just kind of sucks when you're buying one t-shirt. I mean, I don't mind doing that for the motion, obviously, but for the other stuff, it's going to kind of suck. I might pass on the umbrella because I didn't confirm the retails, but it was like in the 60s. I just got the FTP one for like $28 or something like that, so I don't really need to get that one too. If it ends up being cheaper or if I end up changing my mind because I take a huge L and it's still in stock, I might just try to get the umbrella. I think next week might be the last week of the season, or maybe the week after that might be the last week. But if you want to see me do a live cop for the next week, make sure you hit the like button. Huge shout out to you guys because we did reach the goal of the 20 likes on the last live cop, so here I am doing another live cop. But again, if you want to see another live cop next week, make sure you hit that like button. Let's also try to get this video to 20 views, and drop a like because that's going to be good luck for me that we're hopefully going to get this dub. Alright, so we got about a minute left until the drop, so let me get the screen recording going. I'm going to listen to you guys this time, and I am actually going to load in on t-shirts, so hopefully we're going to catch this dub because I am going to be on t-shirts. I'm actually basically going solo this time. Most of my plugs are busy or can't really assist me. So I got Joey trying, I got Ash trying, but on mobile, so I don't really know how well it's gonna go. And my cousin's busy and can't help me out either. We're trying to get this dub solo really today. And we need this motion logo. I wanted to go for black, but that might be kind of unrealistic, so I'm not sure. I might go for yellow. Yeah, I just don't know. All right, we got 20 seconds and I'm super nervous. I'm hoping this doesn't go as fast as the hoodie did because that was just a straight L. All right, we got 10 seconds left, guys. I know that you're already watching this after the drop, but good luck to everybody. Hopefully we all cook and let's go. All right, it's 11. Oh, I clicked hats. Wow, what a rookie mistake, but okay. We are in the t-shirts and nothing is here. And new is not even there, so that's sketching me out. What is going on here? The new is gone. The new button is gone. Wow, it's a box logo week. That's insane. Come on, stop lagging. Okay, we are in. Where's the motion? You know what, screw it, I'm just going for yellow. Wow, I'm like shaking too, but freaking, what was I gonna say? Small's already gone. It's crazy. Let's go to checkout. Let's go. Come on. Oh, yellow is sold out. I didn't even get to go, so let's see. I can't even load anything. No, nothing's loading. Okay, dang, we're back on the motion. Sold out in every color, I believe. Yeah, this has got to be a glitch. Yeah, this is a glitch. So, all right, enough of the motion. Let's try to go back to get the other shirts. Hopefully we can get those Ichi the Killers. I can't lie to you guys, I might be pronouncing that incorrectly because I don't really know anything about it. All right, let's try to get this. Thought that was sold out for a second and I was gonna be really upset. Oh, I should not have got black. That was a bad one. That probably just screwed me over for sure. Stuff is already selling like crazy. We don't have a single order yet. Is that processing? Come on. I'm not even getting the processing on that, so that one's probably an L. Ooh, I'm not even getting the processing screen. All right, I just got the freeze thing. Sick. Yeah, so that shirt is sold out, so I did see that coming. Come on. All right, I got red, which is not the best color, but I'll literally take anything. My mom's dogs are about to go crazy, guys. I'm so sorry. I guess Ashley's processing right now. I can't process anything. Come on, I got red. That's like the worst color in a medium. I'm sorry, guys. There's a bunch of distractions. There's nothing I could do this week. I wanted to do the laptop. Dang, the shirt is sold out. I can't load anything. Nothing's loading. All right, guys, I'm trying on this. The blanket is sold out. So many distractions this week. I'm so sorry, guys. Now my phone's going off like crazy. I can't process. It's the first time ever that all the shirts are sold out. Like, I literally can't do anything still. Oh, I canceled it. That's awesome. All right, I can't load anything, so I think this is probably just an L. I can't move or click anything. I can't even load Supreme's website. So I don't think I got anything. So No surprise there. I still can't even click view all. Dang, it says this in my car, that's not even in my car. I don't think I'm gonna be able to buy anything again. This is crazy. And this has been like the worst live cop. Like literally anything that could be going on right now in the background is happening. And this is still processing, so it's like that again. All right, well, I'm just gonna end it right here actually, because I can't even get the site to load. I'm kind of in a rush. This is also like the worst video I've ever made because I got people showing up. The dogs are barking like crazy. People are running in and out the shot. I try my best to give you guys a live cop, so please forgive me on this one, guys. If you guys did pick up anything from this drop, please let me know. I took a huge L. I didn't get a single item, but you know, no surprise there really. If you guys did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. We'll try again back at the regular spot next week if we can get this video to 20 likes. Hopefully we'll get a dub to end this season because it looks like I took a fat L this week. So again, I do apologize for all the distractions, and I do apologize for this pretty week of a live cop. It was kind of out of my control on what I could do, so I do apologize about that. If you guys did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.